guys, I would highly recommend this product. It is amazing for my house. I have a 2,500 square foot home. Um, and the suction is incredible. I have it on high, and it will do my whole house on high and not run out of battery. The battery life is incredible. The suction incredible. The brushes are incredible. Never gets tangled. I've never had a problem with dog hair. It will run over a dog hair and suck it right up into the dustbin. What I love, like I said before, is that I turn this thing on and it literally maps my whole home um, with no problem. It maps the whole home, avoids all obstacles, goes underneath almost everything it can possibly. And what I love the most is the thing does not run out of battery. I mean, it will clean for an hour and a half on high mode, and that's 5,000 PA suction. That is a lot of suction for a hardwood floor. So, with the dual brushes and the suction and the battery life, you cannot go wrong with this vacuum. It's amazing. It's literally changed my house. I have 7 dogs, and it's so hard to keep up my floors. But with this vacuum, it's been a game changer. It saves me an hour and a half from vacuuming manually. Um, Literally, like I said, I turn it on. It knows my house. It maps my house. It knows everywhere to go. It does its routine and it returns back to the dock. And it's super easy to clean. I just pull the two roller brushes off. Usually wipe the bottom pretty good because a little bit of dirt will get stuck underneath there. I wipe the dustbin a little bit and definitely.
So I am just getting around to reviewing this vacuum. I purchased it a little over a year ago. I still absolutely love it. It's a vacuum and a mop in one. It is controlled through an app on your phone. And you can pick different sections of your house to clean. But it has been a lifesaver. I don't have to mop or sweep my floors at all. It works great on the carpet. It works great on the hardwood floor and the tile in the bathrooms. Talks to you. You can see it in action. It's very simple to keep clean. They have replacement parts for it on Amazon. I haven't had to replace anything besides the mop mat that goes under it, and it comes right off too, and then I just throw it in the this mat comes off, and then I just take this off. I throw it in the washer, and this is where the water, put water. I just put dish soap in here. Sometimes I'll put Lysol disinfectant spray.
At the beginning, it mops great. You get a lot of water on there, you're really getting it. And then it starts getting more dry. See how the lines are kind of streaky? And then it gets even more dry. I got to the point, if I was doing a whole room, I'm just spot cleaning right now on turbo. But got to the point where there's just 3 tiny little lines that actually mop. You see the dirt it's leaving behind, like big pieces of dirt. It just passed all of this. Look.
Kennel. Kennel.
Cannot turn on. contact. Mop washed. Resuming cleaning.
This is how it scratched my floor. It's like this.